Hello everybody. In this video, we discuss about the long questions from class 10 subject math chapter compound interest. Previously, we discussed 10 long questions from chapter compound interest in 5 different videos. The questions we discussed previously are on the screen right now. You can see it. Today, we'll discuss 2 more long questions from chapter compound interest. Question number 11. A sum of rupees 1,50,000 amounts to rupees 2,62,500 at a certain rate of simple interest in 5 years. Find the sum of money that amounts of rupees 1,98,375 at the same rate of compound interest in 2 years. This question is asked in SLC 2072. Here in the question, there is a sum 1,50,000 which amounts to rupees 2,62,500 in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. We should find the sum of money that amounts to rupees 1,98,375 in 2 years at the rate in which 1,50,000 amounts to rupees 2,62,500 at simple interest.
Solution. Given sum, that is principal, P equals to rupees 1,50,000. Amount A equals to rupees 2,62,500 and time T equals to 3 years. We know that simple interest equals to amount minus principal, that is rupees 2,62,500 minus rupees 1,50,000. That will be rupees 1,12,500. Now, using the formula, simple interest equals to PTR by 100, or simple interest is rupees 1,12,500 equals principal is 1,50,000 into time is 3 years, time is 5 years, rate is, we need to find out the rate, divided by 100, or 2 zeros can be cancelled, then the remaining will be rupees 1,12,500 equals to 1,500 into 5 into R, or R equals to 1,12,500 divided by 1,500 into 5. When 2 0 will be cancelled, or R equals to 1,125 divided by 15 5 75. If we divide, we will get R equals to 15%. Again, using the same rate, R is equal to 15%, compound amount CA equals to rupees 1,98,375 time t equals to 2 years. Let us find out the principal. Let's write sum t equals to what? Now, since we have compound amount, using the formula of compound amount, we know p 1 plus r by 100 whole power t. Our compound amount is 1,98,375 because we don't know p. 1 plus r is 15 divided by 100, t is 2. Or 15 divided by 100 is 0.15 plus 1 is 1.15 or 1,98,375 equals to p 1.15 whole square, or p equals to 1,98,375 divided by 1.15 whole square is 1.3225. Dividing, we will get p equals to rupees 1,50,000. Hence, the required sum of money is rupees 1,50,000.
Question number 12. A person took a loan of rupees 46,875. If the rate of compound interest is 4 paisa per rupee per year, in how many years will the compound interest be rupees 5,853? This question is asked in SLC 2065 and 2067. Here, rupees 46,875 is the principal, 4 paisa per rupee per year is the rate, and 5,853 is the compound interest. We should find out the time.
Solution. Here, loan, that is the principal, p equals to rupees 46,875. Compound interest CI equals to rupees 5,853. Rate R equals to 4 paisa per rupee per year, that is 4% per annum. Time t equals to what? Now, since compound interest is given, let's use formula of compound interest. We know compound interest equals to p 1 plus r by 100 whole power t minus 1, or compound interest is 5,853. P is 46,875. 1 plus r is 4 divided by 100 whole power t minus 1, or 5853 divided by 46,875 equals to 4 divided by 100 is 0.04 plus 1 is 1.04 whole power t minus 1, or dividing 5,853 by 46,875, we will get 0.124864. If minus 1 comes to this side, then it becomes plus 1 equals to 1.04 whole power t. 1.04 whole power t equals to 1.12 1.12486 or 1.04 whole power t equals to, we can write 1.04 whole power t, 1.04 whole power q. Comparing, we will get t equals to 3 years. Hence the required time is 3 years.
If you have any confusion and questions from today's discussion, you can comment below. In our next video, we'll discuss more long question answers from chapter compound interest. To get more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and press notification button to get more videos like this at first.